나 잠깐 나갔다 올게. 생선 건들지 말고. 가게 잘 보고 있어.
네, 알겠습니다. 걱정 마세요. 아저씨, 이거 얼마예요? 이 고등어요. 한 마리 5,000원요. 한 마리 주세요. 이거 붕어빵이잖아.
That was funny, right? You know, in Korean, there's a proverb that fits the situation perfectly. It goes, leaving fish with a cat. It means giving responsibility to someone you probably shouldn't trust, especially when the temptation is just too strong. It's a humorous way of talking about trust, responsibility, and human nature. And actually, English has similar expressions too, like letting the fox guard the henhouse, or like a cat guarding the cream. Same idea. Don't leave important things in the hands of someone who can't resist taking them. Okay, now let's learn some useful expressions and words from the video you just watched. We'll start with the easiest expressions and gradually move on to more challenging ones. If you already know an expression, just skip it and move on to the next one. I'll also explain some vocabulary, grammar, and useful patterns. Let's begin. Number 1. 네, 알겠습니다. Yep, got it. Nep. This is a very simple but useful way to say okay or I understand in Korean. Nep is a casual and cute way to say 네, yes. 알겠습니다 means I understand or got it. You can use this when someone gives you instructions or asks you to do something. The ending 습니다 is a formal speech style used in polite or official situations. This is how it's actually used in real life.
네, 알겠습니다.
Number 2. 이거 얼마예요? How much is this? This is a basic question for shopping in Korea. 이거 means this thing or this one. 얼마예요 means how much is it? You can use this anywhere, at a store, market, or restaurant. The ending 예요 is polite form. This is how it's actually used in real life.
이거 얼마예요?
Number 3. 한 마리 주세요. I'll take one. Please give me one. This is a polite way to ask for something at a shop. 한 마리 means one or one fish. 주세요 means please give me. You can change the counter 마리 depending on the item. For example, 개 for general items, 잔 for cups, or 권 for books. This is how it's actually used in real life.
이거 한 마리 주세요.
Number 4. 아저씨. 아저씨 is used to call a middle-aged man, often a shop owner or worker. It's similar to sir or excuse me in English, but be careful. Don't use it for young men or women. This is how it's actually used in real life.
아저씨,
Number 5. 나 나갔다 올게. I'll be back in a bit. This is a casual way to say, I'm going out and will come back soon. 나 means I. 나갔다 올게 literally means, I'll go out and come back. You can use this with friends or family, not in formal situations. This is how it's actually used in real life.
나 나갔다 올게.
Number 6. 생선 건들지 말고. Don't touch the fish. 생선 means fish. 건들지 말고 means don't touch it, and. This phrase combines 건드리지 마, don't touch, with the implied connection of 그리고, and, forming a linked instruction. 지마 is the negative imperative form, used to tell someone not to do something. You can change 생선 to other things you don't want someone to touch. In this context, don't touch the fish also implies don't eat the fish. This is how it's actually used in real life.
생선 건들지 말고.
Number 7. 가게 잘 보고 있어. Look after the shop for me, okay? 가게 means shop. 잘 보고 있어 literally means watch it well. This is used when you ask someone to look after a place for you. In this context, it also means take care of the shop and sell things to customers if they come. This is how it's actually used in real life.
집 잘 보고 있어.
Number 8. 이 고등어요? This mackerel? 이 means this. 고등어 means mackerel, a type of fish. This is a short way to confirm what you're buying. The ending 요 is a short version of a polite form. This is how it's actually used in real life.
이 고등어요?
Number 9. 한 마리에 5,000원요, 5,000 won each. 한 마리 means one fish. 에 is a particle used to indicate per unit in this context. 5,000 won is 5,000 won. This is how you say the price per item in Korean. The ending 요 is a shortened polite form. This is how it's actually used in real life.
한 마리에 5,000원요.
Number 10. 이거 붕어빵이잖아? Huh? This is fish-shaped bread? Is an exclamation like, huh? 이거 means this. 붕어빵 is a popular Korean snack, fish-shaped bread with a sweet filling. 잖아 is used when you realize something or point out something obvious. You can also use it to check if the other person already knows. This is how it's actually used in real life.
이거 붕어빵이잖아.
That's it for today's expressions. Now, let's practice them together and talk more about the grammar and vocabulary. Homework. Make sentences using today's expressions and post them in the comments. I'll be happy to check and correct your sentences. By the way, I've been teaching Korean for almost 10 years. If you'd like to take a class with me, feel free to try a free trial lesson. My email address is in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun Korean learning. See you next time.